Hi, my name is Katie Larson, and today I'm going to show you how to make a family tree wall decoration. The sample here I put together on my computer in Adobe Illustrator, but I am a graphic artist, so I have the working knowledge of the program. What I'd like to demonstrate to you is how to achieve this look by hand. I've got this great piece of manila art paper that I found in the clearance section of the local art store. I'm going to use calligraphy markers in different colors to put my tree together. So what you want to do is you want to start by beginning with the trunk. And you would list the father's name of the family that you were doing, and bring it in an upward motion, and then the mother's name would go here. And then what you want to do next is, I chose a darker green for the grandchildren's name, for the children's names, for the brothers and wives, and so you'd put brother, write out his name, and wife, depending on how many kids you have, or the family that you're giving it to, or sister, husband. And then I got a lighter green to put down the grandchildren, so just put down the grandchildren here. And I'll show you a copy of it that I did for my own parents by hand, including real people, not just the word grandchildren and wife. I also like to use a little bit of red to just draw a heart to connect them to each other. Big heart here. And then use the darker greens as it outs, just to kind of bubble off the tree, make it look more like a tree. It's pretty much, it's easy and complete. And before you want to put it on a frame on the wall, don't forget to pen the family's name at the bottom and the established date. Makes for a great gift for anybody, and it's really, really easy to do. Isn't that just a great and simple way to make such an amazing treasure?